Hey everybody, this is Miss Florida Hot Picks here, giving you guys another Pick 3 video, and today we're going to work on Pick 3 of Missouri. Yes guys, I have a very simple strategy for you guys. Y'all been hitting me up in the comments, asking me if I have a strategy or a pattern that you guys can use. I think we have something right here. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started. On July 31st midday, Missouri had a hit of 357. Now guys, what I've done is I put it into a real simple 317 rundown. For those that don't know how to count one out, it's really simple. You're just going to add each number to the columns. Okay, so for instance, 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. When you get to your two-digit numbers, only use your ones place for lottery math. So you're going to plug in your 2. All right, 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Again, only use your ones place your 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. Again, only use your ones place your 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. You know that you did it right because the number that you start with is going to be the number that you end with. Real simple, right? So now we're going to add the second column. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Keep going all the way down to get to your original number. Okay? All right, make sure y'all can see that. Now your last column, you're going to add 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. Again, only use your ones place your 4. Okay, 4 plus 7 is 11. Only use your ones place. Keep going all the way down, guys, until you get your original number. All right, that was easy enough. That wasn't that hard. Now, for Missouri, I'm noticing this particular pattern, they're doing it from your midday draws. Okay, I'm not saying it can't happen in the evening. I'm looking at the evening for you guys. That has another pattern that I'm seeing. So you guys make sure you backtrack to see what I'm talking about. But for right now, your midday draws are giving some hits. Okay, now they could come the next day, the next draw. It just depends on what's going on. All right, so I want to show you an easy way how you can kind of look in and start setting up your combinations. Y'all ready? I'm ready. The first thing I want you to do is look to your right side of your 317 rundown. Okay, I want you to look for either your double numbers or your double mirrors. Okay, on this particular chart, it has an 8-8. So those are your double numbers, but they're also going to have its mirror versions. Okay, the mirror versions, guys, is going to be the opposite. You see this 3-3, 3 and 8, guys, those are the same numbers. Yes, same numbers. Let me get another marker here. So I want you guys to make sure that you're paying attention to your mirror numbers. For those that don't know, my newbies, a mirror number is just the opposite of itself. Okay, so just know a 0 can be a 5, 1 can be a 6, 2 can be a 7, 3 can be an 8, and 4 can be a 9. That's what we mean by mirror numbers. Okay, so I'm going to square these in. I want you guys to pay attention to those on your right side. The next thing I want you to do is I want you to take a look at the digit that's on the side of the box. You see on the left, you have a number 2. All right. On your mirror, your 3-3, you have the number 7. Pay attention to those numbers, guys. Okay. This is telling me that the numbers that you want to include in your possible hits will be a 2 or a 7. Okay? And they should be around either the top or the bottom. Okay, right under the box. That's what we're looking for. Okay? So let's start with this region right here. We have our 8-8. Now, according to this, I'm looking at this 2. This is telling me the first two numbers here should be either 2 or it's mirror 7. Okay, so if we look at this box at the bottom, what do we see, guys? A 9-5. I don't see a 2 or 7. I know you see one down here, but we're concentrating first on the first numbers right above or right under the box. Y'all see that? So we have a 2-7. Okay, so this is telling me we're going to probably stay around this area right here. Okay, now the cool thing is you're going to grab your 8, your middle number, whatever is the first digit. I'll say the first digit in your doubles, which happens to be the middle number on the rundown. So you're going to grab 8, 7, And then you're going to form the 3 numbers around it as combinations. Let me show you how that looks. You're going to go 8, 7, 1. You're going to go 8, 7, 6. And then you're going to go 8, 7, 4. Did y'all see that? Okay, I'm staying right in the numbers right here, right around here to lock in that 3rd number. But we also have to use our mirrors, our 3, 3, because sometimes they may want to pick here, but then they can also pick here. Okay, so we're going to go to your mirrors. Remember, 8 and 3, guys, those are the same numbers. Okay, so again, we're looking at that 7. 4, 0, I would probably stick more to the 2, 6. That's repeating right here. Okay, so now I'm going to take the first number from the box, which happens to be the middle column, and we're going to start setting up our combinations. Y'all ready? We're going to go 3, 2, 6. Write that down. 3, 2, 1. And 3, 2, 9. You see how I'm staying right in the same areas? I'm not really going too far. Okay. Missouri, I ain't playing with y'all. Guess what hit? On August 1st that evening, it took a couple draws, but it hit. Guess what hit? 3, 2, 9. We have it here. 3, 2, 9. If you look here, you have 3, 2, 9. So they're using the doubles. And they're using the number, like I said, let that number on the left help you connect. Those are your first 2 numbers, 3, 2, 9. All right? Real simple. Y'all, I'm trying to keep it simple for us. We got to get them hits. But it's not done. I need to make sure that you guys understand the concept. So go ahead and lock in your next hit. Again, I'm looking at the middays for this pattern. You can test it out and try it for the evening hits. It could work for you. I'm not saying it won't, but I'm just noting specifically for the middays. So on August 1st, 152 hit. I want you guys to pay attention to your right side. Now here, you have mirrors, mirror doubles. 8 and 3, 3, 8. Y'all see that? Okay. So sometimes they won't be exacts. Sometimes they will be mirrors. That's okay. Remember, 8 and 3 is the same number. You're still going to do the same thing. So let's do that. What is the number outside of that box? 0. Okay. So that's letting me know on the first line above or below, I'm looking for a 0 or 5. So I would go here. Okay. So I would go 8. You're going to stick with your second number. I'm sorry, you're going to go 8, 0. That's your second number. So you're going to go 8, 0. Okay. And then you're going to put all the other 3 numbers around it. Do you see what I did? Your first number, you know, is going to be your middle number or the first number in the box. And then the second one is going to be whatever is outside of that box, that 0. So we see a 0 here. Okay. See, that's why you got to pay attention to patterns. So 8, 0. Now we're going to plug in these other numbers around it. See, we're staying in the same area. We're going to go 8, 0, 9. Write that down. 8, 0, 0. I like that. Ooh. 8, 0, 7. Like that too. Okay. Now we're going to look at the mirror doubles here. 3, 8. Okay. We're going to still look for the number outside. The first 2 numbers, what do we see a 5 at, guys? At the bottom, right? So this is letting me know we're going to stick with the mirror, the first number in the box. They can always change, but right now we're using the first number in the box. Now, what's our second number? 5. So we're going to immediately look at 5. So 3, 5. And now we're going to loop all of these as combinations. We got 3, 5, 4. You do that. 3, 5, 2. You can do that. And 3, 5, 5. You can do that. Missouri, I ain't playing with y'all. Guess what hit on August 2nd, midday? Guess what hit? 2, 5, 3. We have it as 3, 5, 2. 3, 5, 2. Look at this. Look at that. You see? Pay attention. All right? I like using the middle number and then look for the outside number. Okay. And remember, you saw how this was a 7 here, but then it changed to a 2 here. It didn't use 7. It's okay. Sometimes, depending if they're doubles or mirrors, they'll switch up on you. But hey, nice. Very nice. But guess what, Missouri? I ain't done with you. I got them hot picks for you. Hold on. All right, guys. I got them hot picks for Missouri. Now, I'm going to tell you right now. I do not guarantee hits on this channel, but if I was in Missouri, this is what I would be playing for the next few draws. Okay? So, you play at your own risk. All right? However, these are the hits I'm liking. I like that 784, 789, 781, 234. I love this 239. This 239 keeps coming in time and everything. I don't know what's up with that 239. 236, love that, because whenever, here's a hint. Whenever you think you're playing a 9, okay, or 6, use both of those as options. So let's say I didn't know 236 would be on the list, right? I see that 239. I'm going to also say 236. The same with this one, 789. You might also want to do a 786. Just something I'm noticing. 6 and 9s, they like to do switcheroos with us. But y'all, that's all I have for right now. I will see y'all on the next video.